To be approved for federal disability retirement, you'll need to meet some specific requirements. As a reminder, disability retirement is for federal workers whose injury or illness stops them from doing at least one part of their job. The benefit comes with monthly payments, the option to keep working in the private sector, the ability to keep your federal health and life insurance, and continued years of service even after you stop working, so your full retirement isn't reduced. So let's talk about what it would look like for you to be eligible. There are 3 things that put you in a position to be considered. 1, you need at least 18 months of service, not including bought back time. 2, you need to be a FERS employee, or if you work for the USPS, a regular/career employee. And 3, you must have become disabled from your job because of an injury or illness. Now, if you're eligible to be considered, there are 7 qualification requirements you'll have to meet. 1, you need to have a diagnosed medical condition from an injury or illness. 2, your medical diagnosis must be expected to last for at least 1 year. 3, you need to show what's called a service deficiency after a period of doing your job well, meaning your attendance, conduct, or performance are suffering. 4, your medical condition needs to be the reason for your service deficiency. 5, your job doesn't need to have caused the condition, but it must have started or gotten worse while you were in your federal position. 6, your agency must be unable to accommodate you without removing any essential part of your job. And finally, 7, your agency must be unable to reassign you to an open position at your pay level and in your area. If you want to discuss the details of your case, call today for a free consultation, and one of our professional consultants will help you discover if federal disability retirement is a good fit for you.